Today we are going to talk about best tools that you need to spy your competitors. Number one tool is SimilarWeb. So just go on SimilarWeb, enter your URL and enter your keyword, and you can analyze your traffic growth. You can compare your traffic growth with your competitors' traffic growth, and SimilarWeb will also tell you that from where this traffic growth is coming. Is it coming from referrals? Is it coming from social media? Or is it coming from Google SEO? The second best tool is Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. It's one of the most famous tool available in the market. You can analyze your growth. You can see the traffic is mostly organic or paid. It will tell you the keyword ideas. It will also tell you the top pages for a particular keyword or a URL. You can also audit your site speed. The third important tool is Buzzmo. It's similar to Ubersuggest, but it focuses on blog content. Just type an URL or a keyword and Buzzmo will show you the most popular blogs out there. You can compare those blog contents versus your content, and you can modify your content to rank number one on Google. The fourth important tool for 2020 is Social Blade. The social media content is increasing at a rapid stage. So you need tools like Social Blade. You can analyze your competitors' YouTube strategies, social media strategies, social media content, and you can compare your growth rate with your competitors' growth rate. How? Social Blade will tell you that if someone puts 10 pieces of content, they get how much followers versus 20 pieces of content and they get how much of followers. So this is how you can compare your growth strategy versus your competitors' growth on social media. So these four tools you need to spy your competitors plus to analyze your growth rate in a systematic manner. And the X factor is these all tools are free to use. Yes, so just go on, analyze your growth, your traffic rate, and compare it with your competitors and crush them. So stay tuned and stay updated. Learn and grow with AJ only on Digital Nugget.